Good morning, children. Today you are going to learn Unit 3, Our Nation. What is meant by our nation? Our country. Before getting into the lesson, we'll see My Little Pictionary. First one, Amar Jawan Jyoti, an Indian memorial constructed after the India-Pakistani War of 1971. So it is a memorial, Ninevu Chinnam. So it is constructed after the India-Pakistan War held on 1971. Next one, battle, a fight between armies or group of people, a fight between two groups. Next one, weapon, an object that is used for fighting or attacking. So it is used in fight or to attack others. Mahavir Chakra, the second highest military reward in India. So it is the second highest military reward. So what is the first highest military reward? It is Paramveer Chakra, and this is second highest military reward in India. Soldier, a person who serves in an army, a person who protects our country. So this is the lesson, prose part. Now we'll see the lesson. Anand and Yarni came home from school. After washing their face, hands and legs, they sat down next to their father. So Anand and Yarni, they are studying in the school. After their school gets over, they returned home, washed their face, hands and legs, and sat next to their dad. Their father was watching the news on the television. There were two bowls of chickpea sundal. They ate and watched a ceremony where people were paying respect to a helmet on top of a gun. So what his father was doing? He was watching news on the TV. Their mother gave them two bowls of chickpea sundal. They ate and watched a ceremony. What is meant by ceremony? A formal event to celebrate an anniversary. Sadangu or Vira. So, what ceremony they were seeing? The ceremany where people were paying respect to helmet on a top of a gun. You can see here the gun is placed and top of a gun you can see a helmet placed. It represents soldier's helmet, and you can see some officers paying respect to a helmet on top of a gun. What is this place? What are they doing? Asked Anandan. Dad replied, this is Amar Jawan Jyoti, a memorial for the soldiers who died for our country. So Anandan asked, what is this place and what they were doing? Father replied, this is Amar Jawan Jyoti in New Delhi. It is a memorial for the soldiers who died for our country. What is meant by memorial? It is a structure established to remind of a person or event. Ninaivu Chinnam. Every year, 7th December is observed as Armed Forces Flag Day. On that day, we remember the sacrifices of our soldiers for guarding our nation. When is Armed Forces Day? Yes, every year, 7th December is observed as Armed Forces Day. On that day, we remember the sacrifices of a soldier. What is meant by sacrifice? Tyagam, soldiers or Tyagam, who serves our nation. It is a great honor to serve the nation by joining the army. Father said that it is a great honor to serve the nation by joining the military. Yarni proudly declared, when I grow up, I will join the army and serve the nation. So Yarni, she proudly says that when she grows up, she will join the army and serve the nation. Anandan said, I will become a doctor and treat the people. And Anandan said that he will become a doctor and treat the people. Yarni asked, Why don't you join the army and serve the nation like me? Father intervened her and said, joining the army is not the only way to serve the nation. Yarni asked her brother Anandan that why don't he join the army and serve the nation like her? Father intervened and said, what is mean by intervene? Interrupt a conversation. Interfere. நடு இவங்க ரெண்டு பேர் பேசிட்டு இருக்கும்போது interfere ஆகுது. And he said that joining the army is not the only way to serve the nation. There are many other professions like doctor, engineer, teacher, scientist, etc. And so that is not serving the nation means it is not only joining the army. Each one of us can serve the nation in our own way. Yarni asked, really dad, how can we serve the nation? Father said, serving in the army is a grace, but not everyone gets a chance to serve. Okay, everyone can serve in our own way. Yarni asked, how everyone can serve the nation? Father said, serving the army is grace. எல்லாருக்கும் மிலிட்ரியில் சேர்ந்து நாட்டுக்கு சேவை பண்ணணும்னு ஆசை, பட் நாட் எவ்ரி ஒன் கெட்ஸ் த சான்ஸ் டு சர்வ் த நேஷன். But each of us has a role in our society, and by doing that role, we are serving our nation. But everyone has a role in our society, and doing that role, performing our duty as student, teacher, doctor, scientist, etc., we are serving our nation. Father continued, I will tell you the story of Karmugilan. He was a doctor who died serving the people. He was young and talented. He went to USA for studying. His parents were very proud of him. They thought that he would live in the USA and continue his practice. Then father started to tell one story about Karmugilan. He was a young and talented doctor. He studied in USA. His parents were very proud of him. They thought he would live in America and continue his practice. But to everyone's surprise, he came back to India and started treating poor people free of cost. But to everyone's surprise, what happened? He came back to India and started treating poor people, that too for free of cost. Yarni asked, were his parents not angry with him? Dad said they were angry, but they knew he was happy. Yarni asked that whether his parents were not angry with him. Daddy said they were angry, but they knew very well he was happy about serving the poor people. One day, dengue broke out in the nearby villages. He left to those villages to treat the people. He saved the lives of many. He was soon well known in the village and people poured in to get treated. One day, what happened? Dengue broke out in the nearby villages. What disease? Dengue. Nowadays, we are getting what disease? Corona. And in this story, the nearby villages, dengue. So, Dr. Karmugilan left to those villagers and treated the people, and he saved many lives. So, he became well known in the village and people rushed to him to get treated. But one day he got infected by the disease and was taken to the city hospital. He was in critical condition. His parents were upset and worried. But unfortunately, one day he got affected by the disease and was taken to the city hospital. He was in critical stage and admitted in ICU. His parents were upset and worried about him. He told his parents that he had done his duty to the country and was happy. In a couple of days he died. But he told his parents that he had done his duty to the country and he was happy. For that, he told that he will die peacefully. In 2 days, he died. In his memory, the people of the village have built a hospital and treat people at free of cost. The villagers built a hospital in his memory and treated people at free of cost. That's really great. He's a real hero, said Yarni. Father replied, each one of us should love and respect our country. We should treat everyone around us with love and respect. That's the real service to the nation. After hearing the story, Yarni said, that was really great. He was a real hero. Father said, like Dr. Karmugilan, everyone should love and respect our country. We should treat everyone around us with love and respect. And if we do so, that is a real service to the nation. So, what do you learn from this story, children? Everyone can serve the nation. Not only by joining the army we can serve the nation. Everyone can serve the nation in our own way. We should treat everyone with love and respect. Okay, children, we'll move to the meanings now. Number 1, munching, eating something steadily. Munching, eating something steadily. Eating something with often with the audibly loud sound. Okay. Number 2, wreath. You have to pronounce this as wreath. W is silent here. Flowers arranged in a ring for lying on a grave. Flowers that is arranged in a ring, like a ring, for lying on a grave. Grave means kalarai. Number 3, ceremony, a formal event to celebrate an anniversary. A formal event to celebrate an anniversary. Sadangu or Vira. Number 4, memorial, a structure established to remind of a person or event. A structure established to remind of a person or event. Ninaivu Chinnam. Number 5, intervened, interrupt a conversation. Interfere. Okay. Number 5, intervened, interrupt a conversation. Number 6, sacrifices, giving up something more valuable. Giving up something more valuable. Tyagam. Number 7, infected, contaminated with harmful things. That is affected with some organism. It may be bacteria or virus. Number 8, guarding, to watch over, to protect or control. பாதுகாக்கிறது. Guarding means to watch over, to protect or control. Next one, choose the correct answer. Number 1, Karmugilan went to dash for higher studies. London, Australia, USA, New Zealand. And the answer is option C, USA. Number 2, dash broke out in the nearby villages. Malaria, cholera, dengue, flu. And the answer is option C, dengue. Number 3, he got dash the disease. Infected by, cured of, upset, remedy for. So the answer is option A, infected by. Number 4, the villagers built a dash on his memory. Statue, memorial, library, hospital. So the answer is option D, hospital. Next, fill in the blanks. Mother handed them bowl of dash. Bowl of chickpea sundal. Number 2, dash is a memorial for the soldiers. Amar Jawan Jyoti. Dash is a memorial for the soldiers. Amar Jawan Jyoti. Number 3, Flag Day is observed on dash. 7th December. Number 4, a dash dies for the nation. Soldier. Number 5, dash was a young talented doctor. Karmugilan. Next question and answers. Number 1, what were Anandan and Yarni watching in the television? Anandan and Yarni were watching a ceremony in the television. Number 2. What is Amar Jawan Jyoti? Amar Jawan Jyoti is a memorial for the soldiers who died for our country. Number 3. What did Anandan want to become? Anandan wanted to become a doctor. Number 4. Why did Yarni want to join the military? Yarni wanted to join military to serve the nation. Number 5. What happened to Dr. Karmugilan in the story? Dr. Karmugilan was infected by dengue and died in the story. Number 6. What was the epidemic that broke out in the story? Dengue was the epidemic that broke out in the story. Okay, learn well, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.